You want to learn how you can promote your CPA marketing offers with the help of this platform right here called the Midjourney? Why not just simply watch this video to the end? Because in this video I'm going to reveal to you an amazing strategy which you could use right here to actually drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers just by using the images which you do generate from this platform called Midjourney. So with that being said, let's just simply cut right to the chase. So first of all guys, you want to head on to a CPA marketing platform to grab a CPA marketing offer. I'm going to use the Cpagrip right here, and if you don't have an account guys, you could simply click on register. If you click on register, you'll be brought to this page. Fill out this form, accept the terms of services, and register now. And guys, your account will be created almost immediately. You can then go on to login into your account and be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. What you want to do right now is you simply go on to select an offer which you want to promote. By clicking on offer tools and my offers, you'll be brought to this page right here. Just simply go on to filtering offers to actually get offers from a top tier country such as the United States, or the tier 1 country right here such as the United States and United Kingdom, Australia, or other top tier countries out there. So right now guys, you can see that these are actually offers available. These offers are actually available to the United States demographic. So what you want to do right now is to just simply scroll through. You can actually get a cool sweepstake offer which you want to just simply go on to promoting. So guys, I'm just going to select this offer right here, which is for the Atapool app, and if I do click on this offer, you actually see more details about the offer right now. You can see that it's an Apple iOS offer, also a mobile install offer. Here is the payout to this offer, 89 cents, and you could see a unique affiliate link to promoting this offer. So what you want to do right now is to leave this page open. We're going to get back to this particular offer. So you want to head on to this platform called the Midjourney, and this is quite an amazing platform right here where you do actually go on to creating cool and amazing images just by giving it a simple description right here. So you describe the type of image which you want, and this AI actually brings that description to life. So that's how cool this AI actually is, and you can then just simply go on to sign up for this AI for absolutely free. It's quite free to sign up for this AI. You just want to come right here and click on join the beta, and if you do click on join the beta right here guys, so as you can see right here, you'll be brought to this page where you can just simply go on to accepting this invite to join Midjourney, and you can see right here that it actually has 1 million users online, and it actually has about 13 million members for this particular platform. So what you want to do right now is just simply click on accept invite, and if you do accept the invite, it's automatically going to redirect you and take you to their Discord space. So guys, you can see right now that I'm actually logged into my Midjourney account, and you can just keep on scrolling and you can see the amazing images that were created with the help of this AI tool right here. So all these images were created just by giving it a simple description right now, and if you want to just simply go into creating an image yourself, just simply come right here to this section and actually go into clicking on one of the newbie rooms. And if you do go on to joining one of the newbie rooms, you'll be able to see a lot of images that were created with this AI tool. You could also see the prompt that was used in creating this image. You could see right here that this prompt says "a grumpy old man happy, proving he is right." And you can see right here that that was the image it created. This is actually an image which was created right here. These are also cool and amazing images that were created with the help of this AI tool based on giving it a simple description. So to create yours, you just want to come right here to this message section, type in the slash, and you want to just simply type in imagine, and you want to select this imagine prompt right here. Once you do that, just simply going to type in your description, and if you do click on enter, this AI tool is actually going to go on to generating that particular image for you based on the description which you do give this AI tool. And guys, you just want to go on to learning from other people's description right there, because they do actually have some parameters which people do actually going to put in, like this parameter right here, which is the V4 and the S50, is actually parameter that actually determines how your image will come out. So guys, there are actually a little limitation to this AI tool in the fact that you actually have to go on to paying for this AI tool right here. But if you want to just simply use a free version of this AI tool, you do have a free trial for some period, but after that you do get to go on to paying for this AI tool. But if you want to consistently go on to using an AI tool such as this, you want to try out a more freer AI tool that actually does the same work right here, and that AI tool right now is going to be the Leonardo AI. This is quite an amazing AI tool that has a very cool capability right here, which is absolutely free, and you can gain access to this AI tool for free right here. And guys, the capabilities of this AI tool actually supersedes that of Midjourney, and you want to just simply go on to using it, click on start using Leonardo, and just simply click on yes, I am whitelisted, sign up with your email address, and you can then just simply log into your account and be brought to a dashboard similar to this. And if I do keep on scrolling through, you could actually see that all these images were created with this AI tool. If you want to know the prompt I was using creating the image, just simply select that image right there, and once it actually loads up, you can see the prompt right here, which is this particular prompt right now. So using creating this image, you could copy the prompt and actually use that to create a similar kind of image right there yourself. To create images, you want to come right here, click on AI image generation, and you want to just simply come right here to this section and just simply type out what you want this particular AI tool to generate. Type out your description right here for this particular section. You could add in the negative prompt, which is what you don't want to see in your image right here. So once you add that and just simply click on generate, your image will be generated right there. And you do have about 150 coins to spend per day, and each image actually takes about 2 coins right there. So you could see right now that all these images were created with the help of this AI tool right now. Grab hold of this AI tool and actually start using that to actually do remarkable things. But what you want to do right now, that supposing I want to just simply go to sharing this image right here, I'm just going to go to downloading this particular image on my device by clicking on this download icon. As you can see, the image has actually been downloaded on my device. Next, you want to just simply head on to this particular platform called QR-code-generator.com. And once you head onto this platform, you want to go back to your CPA marketing offer, copy the link to that offer, and go back to that particular platform right there. So what you want to do is to paste in that link right here, and it's actually going to go on to generating a QR code for you. So once you do generate this QR code, simply come right here, click on download, and you can actually download this QR code for absolutely free on your mobile device. So guys, once this has actually successfully been downloaded, you want to go onto this particular platform called Canva to actually go into editing that image. So right now guys, I'm just going to go on to clicking on the custom size right here on Canva, and I'm just going to go on to putting in the width and height right here of the image. So if I do want that in dock size, I'm just going to go on to selecting the dock size, and if I do go on to selecting dock size right now, the image will actually, or I will brought to this blank page where I can just simply go on to editing this particular section. So right now guys, I could just simply go on to editing. What I'm going to do right now is to go on to upload and actually upload those 2 images right there. So if I do click on upload file, I can just go into my downloads right now and upload those 2 exact same images. And if I do double click on that or upload the images, I'm going to select the first image right here, and I'm just going to go on to upscaling this image right here. If I do go on to upscaling this image perfectly, as you can see, the image has actually been upscaled. I could just simply drag this to the bottom a little, and if I drag that to the bottom, I'm just going to go on to adding this particular QR code. I'm going to shorten the QR code right now and just simply take right here to the top section. So once I put in this QR code right here in this section, I can just simply go on to type in a simple call to action for that right there by clicking on text and just simply put in something like header text, and that header text will contain something like scan me. And if I put in something like that, I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to also go on to changing the text color or the text font size and the font and type of font right there. But once I do that guys, I could just simply bring this right in here. Then I could just simply go onto the element section and search for something like arrow. So once I do select this arrow right here, I'm just going to go on to rotating that right here, something like this. I'm going to go on to putting that in this section and reduce the size right here. So once I actually do this right here guys, as you can see, this is how it actually looks like, and this is what it's going to look like right now. So what you want to do right now is just simply go on to clicking on share, click on download, and actually download this image on your device. And in a matter of some seconds, the image will be downloaded on your device. Next, you want to just simply go into driving traffic to this particular image right here. And how do you drive traffic to this image? You want to come onto this platform called the Pinterest.com. And this is quite an amazing platform where you do get a lot of traffic based on similar web. If you do analyze that, you will find out that this website got about 1 billion visits in the last 28 days. So you want to take advantage of this particular traffic right now, and you could also see that the top tier countries or the top countries that do visit this website is the United States, which actually has about 40% of this website traffic, which is why you want to make sure you're promoting an offer to the United States, as that will actually increase your chances of making more money on such platforms. So you want to just simply head back to Pinterest and actually go on to clicking on create pin. Click on create pin right now, and you just want to go on to just posting that particular pin on Pinterest right here. So I'm just going to click on this plus icon and add in that particular image. So you can see the image has actually been added. What you want to do right now is to give this a title, give it a cool description, and you could leave the destination link, because if they're actually interested and do want to scan in that particular section or that QR code right there, it's automatically going to lead them to my CPA marketing offer, which if they actually do use right there or complete such offers, I do make some cool cash doing so. So you can then just simply go on to promoting this particular picture as fast as possible to all social media platforms. And if you do promote that, you increase your chances of earning better income with CPA marketing. So that's it for now, guys. I do hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure notification bells are turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.